Happy Friday, guys. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. Type hashtag replay, that will bump up the post, and always when you are hopping on, say hi. I know it's already been July, halfway down with July, so everyone is slowly getting ready for school. So I'm going to wait till someone hops on, and then I will explain my eye look, and then we'll go ahead and pick my lip color for the day. I will just sort few colors by that. I think I have ordered how many stands I ordered. I think I ordered a few more because I thought this is much convenient compared to this one for the glasses. So this is not stable one, so this is little more stable when compared to that. So I thought this will be even helpful for the glasses, so I have ordered few more because both my colors are filled out. So if you're hopping on, say hi and give a smiley, or tell me what you want me to do for the lip color for today. So before that, I have few choices in mind what I wanted to do. Maybe I will show you the colors what I have, and then we'll go ahead from there. I'm just picking the colors. And how are you all doing for the Friday? Here it's closer to 90 these days, so it's really hot. But I should be happy because I have been in even more than 90 when I was doing carpool. So I'm happy that I don't do carpool anymore because I literally tan like anything even while sitting inside the car. That's how much hard it is when it comes to NC weather. So that's good. And let me first show what I have done for my eye, and then we'll talk about my lip look. Let me show the colors I have used. So this saree is a green and black saree. So so what I did is I used to pick the inspirations from different people, because that way I can try different techniques. Everybody has their own style they follow. So this one is from a YouTuber called Makeup by Mona. She's a South Indian makeup artist. So I picked this black and green from hers. So what I did is I used natural tan to color correct all over. That's the first Shadow Sense color I have used. And then I have used Desert Rose for my transition color. So I wanted like a very light one to go. So even the tiara, anything that even though they are shimmer, you can still do them in the a crease. So that's the color I have used for the crease. And then I have used rustic brown on my socket and also all over lid, because when you use 2-3 layers of these kind of shades, it will make the color pop. When you layer different colors, that will help the color to deepen it, and also gives like a very seamless to see the colors blending in. So I have used rustic brown, which is like a more coffee brown shade. So I have used that all over my lid. And then I have used Onyx, which is our black eyeshadow, to deepen the color all over lid color again. And then I have used Emerald Shimmer for the green. So I have used just the 1/3, and then I blended it with the black, and also I brought it a little bit down. And I have used the same black Shadow Sense in my waterline, upper and lower waterline. I haven't done any wing. Instead I just brought it a little bit inside the corner alone, and I have used Sandstone Pearl Shimmer in my brow bone to give that highlight. So that's the shades I have used. I have actually, she finished with the black, but mine is more of green than black. So I have used the green pencil in my waterline too, so that it will have more of the green. And I have used both my Lash Sense primer and the waterproof mascara for today's look. So that's the one I have done. And the accessories are from Niveda, from her paparazzi one. And I have had matching bangles from Jayashree. So I even had a peacock one that went with that. Like I had the silk thread one she made for me. So the color choices I had for today are I think one more I will choose. Just give me a minute. I will just pick that one. I need to see where it is. I have ordered also the stickers. Hi Jayashree, how are you? Oh, I know I always drop one color every time when I do live. Whenever I try to look for the color, I will always drop one. I couldn't see it, but let me find the color anyway. So the choices I had was like, I wanted to do like a berry tones. I know I have done many of the reds recently. I have done the most of these, the Kiss My Sass, blush, and thank you Jayashree. I wore the bangles. I was just talking about you. So my first choice will be obviously nude pink. That will be my go-to, because whenever I have like a very heavy eye look, like a smoky eye, nude pink will be my choice always. That is my first one. Or I can do like any of these berry tones, like Fire and Ice is not a berry tone, but still I picked that one. I wanted a caramel apple diamond. I don't know, I couldn't find it now. Like Napa, Lexi Berry, or I think this one is Plum. So any of these berry shades I thought I will do, but I think I'm leaning towards more of nude pink. By the time I'll do nude pink, maybe I will have to pick a gloss of my choice. As you know, you have tons of choices when it comes to nude pink, I mean glosses too. So it's like always you can even do one shade and then you can top it with a different gloss of your choice and make it look different. So maybe we can do nude pink with metallic rose maybe. Yeah, I think this combo will look right. Or if you want a shimmery shade, you can do Pink Prism. So let's start with first cleaning the lips. And always make sure to clean your lips well when you do lip sense, because lip sense is not a lip stain. Instead, lip sense tries to molecularly bonds with your lips. So that way, when you clean your lips, that you will be making sure that there is no makeup or any residue in your lips, and it makes the lip sense to bond really well. And there are two choices similar to this. You can do even the rose quartz. Rose quartz will look even really nice with this. You can do pastel pink. That will be nice too. Like any lighter shades I would prefer to do with this. I know I have done blush, Kiss My Sass, Crystal Mauve. What else? I have done Rhubarb. I have done Blue Red, I think. Even I did Kiss My... what is that? Kiss Parakas. So I have done different shades with each look. So for today's look, I wanted to do nude pink. So let's do it. And always make sure you do thin layers when it comes to what is it, like let me go ahead and grab a disposable one. Give me a minute. about that. Yes, I wanted a disposable wand for this. So this is going to be my first layer of nude pink. Nude pink will be really subtle. And you won't have a lot of color in this. So this is perfect for people who are like, don't like a lot of color in their lips. And there is a shade called Nude Honey too. So whereas Nude Honey will be more of a brown shade, whereas Nude Pink is little on the pinkier side. And Creamer will be a nice choice too. Creamer is going to have the matte gloss company, so I can't wait to show that next to Creamer. There is going to be Bella, Praline Rose, Creamer, and what else? One more is there. So all of the colors have their like lip sense equivalent. So Bella with Bella Matte is the one I'm very interested in to try. So my first layer is dry, so I'm going ahead with the second layer. So you don't need to leave a lot of time. You will be able to feel it. Once you touch it, it has to feel dry. That is the time you leave between one layer to the other. When you are touching the lip, if it is sticky, that means if you go ahead and do the second layer, it is going to be streaky. So make sure you give enough drying time in between the layers. So let's do the second layer. Hi Niveda. I was just telling about you. When I bought it, I didn't have this in mind, but when I picked the saree, this is the first one that came to mind. Thanks, Niveda. And I was happy that I got that gumball too, because I like all those big earrings, so I really loved it. So this is my second layer of nude pink. As you can see, it is like really barely there color, and particularly during summer, even if you are going for a walk or anything, this lip sense is going to act as a sunscreen for your lips. So that's like a nice way of protecting your lips and not exposing to any harmful rays. So let me go ahead and do my final layer. If you are hopping on, I am doing nude pink because I had a smoky eye. I think nude pink was my favorite choice. And if you are looking to buy any pigment glosses, nude pink or nude honey, creamer and all will work really well, because when you do the glosses on its own, it will not have that much staying power compared to doing it on top of a lip sense color. So what I would suggest is, for example, let me show you some colors. For example, if you are getting any one of these colored glosses, instead of doing them on its own, if you do a color like this where it is like very barely there shade, for example, take a color like this, which will be like a perfect nude for the lips, and then you don't even have to do 3 layers. You can just do like 1 layer or 2 layer depending upon the time or your convenience, and just top it with any gloss. That will give the color, the gloss, a nice base to hold on to it, so that way they can stay longer. At the same time, it's going to be moisturizing. So I picked the metallic rose to go with it. Metallic rose is a limited edition glass. I know it's a sold out glass, but still I wanted to have a little bit of color but not a lot. What else can go with it? Like, I mean, I know we have tons of it, so you can do any of these what is that, like, I mean, the smaller ones, the BFF, you can do the Cutie Pie, you can do the metallic rose. All these will look really good under see, for example, if you want to go metallic, then you can go with a metallic nude, so that will give you like a brownish metallic tint, like a bronzy coppery tint, whereas a BFF and all will give you a light purple or a pink shade. When you see that in tube, it may look what is it, like more pigmented, but when they get applied, it is not that dark. So don't get afraid of it when you see it in the tube. You can either try them in the Sanalook app, that way you get to virtually try it, or you can do or you can ask me to swatch it, or I can share pictures where you will have women of all color, like, so that way you can think which one will be closer to you. So let's go ahead and seal it with metallic rose. Do you see? It gives a nice shine, but at the same time it is not having a lot of color to it. So that's what I wanted for this look, because I know my accessories are bold, my eye look is bold, so I wanted my lip look to be a little subtle. And you can see these glosses are really moisturizing, so even if you wear it whole day, it will be like a lip balm, and at the same time you will have it acts as to protect the lips. And so until you get the gloss, because that is a question I always get, do I need to have a gloss to seal in? If you don't get the gloss, if you are a first timer of LipSense and if you don't get a gloss, you will not be able to enjoy the color at all, because LipSense will be sticky until you seal it with the gloss. I always suggest glossy gloss as your first one, but since now we have a endless choice of glosses, that too even this matte glosses is going to sell out soon. That's what I heard. So if you need one, you need to stock up now, or else these are like limited editions, so I'm sure they will sell out faster. So grab while it is available. So for today's look, we did nude pink with metallic rose glass. So that's all for today's video, and you all have a wonderful weekend. I think so far I had almost 5 or 6 people interested in the makeup class. As I said, it's going to be in a different group, and it's on 23rd and 24th of July. So it's going to be tons of videos and posts and going on in that group. So it will be so much useful, because I know even for the skincare class, that's why I ask you to do one of those, because you have the samples and you will be able to see from different perspective, because I know you always hear from me. Even this whole week I heard from so many customers about whether it's been the mystery grab bag, or whether they like the new color, whether what is it, like about any skincare product. They all reach out to me and share their reviews. It would be really nice if you can share your review either in my page or in the group. That would really help, because even the customers would always love to hear from another person, because that gives them a different perspective than me always telling about the products. So feel free to do that. That will really help. And have a wonderful weekend, and enjoy your summer. Actually, I know now people are slowly starting to go out a bit. For us also, the school is going to start around August 17th, so I'm really excited for the new school year. I know it's going to be online, but still, at least the kids will get occupied, and they'll be more productive than being in summer. So that's the thing. And you all take care and stay safe. Bye.